Hey guys, welcome to Orange Motivation. Orange because orange is the color as well as the fruit. So, firstly, you're supposed to smile, then get yourself introduced. Hey, you, enjoy the vibe. So, then you're supposed to explore yourself in life always. And here comes the cool emoticon where you're not supposed to lose your cool ever in your life. So next comes life is lol. Yeah, so laugh. Life is lol, so laugh. Live the moment first. First, you're supposed to live the moment. Yeah, that is how it is. And then you're supposed to have fun in life. And the most importantly, you're supposed to stay calm, stay cute, like me if you want. Then this is the lol emoticon, which is my favorite, and it's supposed to be everyone's favorite, I guess. You're supposed to always smile, stay happy, and most importantly, you're supposed to one second, where is that? Where is that? You're supposed to stay positive in life, okay? I know positive word is not positive this year, but still. Then you're supposed to stay calm and cute as well. So here comes the certain motivation for you today. This is the Thursday motivation with orange motivation. So I think the balloon is also happy because it's been very supportive for me to write this all stuff on this and motivate you guys. I hope this made your day a bit lighter and a bit happier. I really hope it's like that. Have fun. Take care. Bye.